mga palangga, so for today's video ay pag-aralan natin ang rule number 15 in learning English. Ito po yung rule number 15. Words taken from foreign languages usually retain their plural form. Ayan, so example are from singular, alumna. Alumna for feminine. Okay, pag naging plural siya, magiging alumni. No, alumni. Next, singular, alumnus for masculine or for male. And then, pag naging plural siya, magiging alumni. Yan, alumni. Next, another example is analysis. Analysis. And then, pagka gagawin nating plural or pagka sa plural form, magiging analysis. Yan, analysis. Next is bacterium. Bacterium in singular. In plural, bacteria. Yan, bacteria in plural. Next is crisis. Crisis. Okay, sa pagka-plural niya, maging crisis. No, crisis. ES. Ang IS na ipapalitan ng ES. Ayan, next example is criterion. Criterion, singular, then pag plural, criteria. Ayan po mga palangga ang ating rule number 15. Maraming salamat at sana po ay may natutunan kayo.